Hello, Laudato youth out there. Today we want to share with you the role of young people in combating climate change. As you may know, Uganda is one of the countries that houses the largest number of young people in the world, and we have always seen young people at the forefront of global climate change movements, and we believe that young people have a pivotal role to play in combating climate change. Young people so much into using media, and that is why we as young people have a greater ability to harness and promote climate action through media.
Well, we as young people, the youth, we are called upon to be the stewards of change. Being a steward of change in conserving and caring for our environment. Our environment contains different things. We need to care it and have a comfort zone for the next generation.
Talking about the stewardship, there is a need for youth mindset change because most of the youth have been diverted. Their minds are being diverted, and they really need to come back on board, so that because there are different notions that have come up about climate change, and therefore we have to foster youth mindset change so that we are able to reverse some of the effects of climate change.
Additionally, we the youth have the power and the capacity to mobilize the community members, inspire them, and push for policies that are environmental sustainability. Additionally, we the youth have the fresh perspectives that can come in our minds, so that we can foster different activities that can help us in conserving the environment. Take an example, planting trees. We can not only plant trees, but we can take an initiative of following up those trees so that they can be of great value in our world.
Collaboration is the best aspect on how we as youth can conserve our environment. We can create awareness through various initiatives in schools, churches, and other aspects where we work.
Various campaigns can be taken up in various communities, whereby we can make the community members aware about the benefits of conserving the environment and how they can benefit from what we are telling them or what we are advocating for.
The youth have a greater advantage to amplify the voices of the crying earth, because youth have a lot of energy, and research has it all that it is very, very important for the youth to engage in different things. For example, creating awareness about the negative effects of climate change, because youth can be listened to at any time. With the guidance of the elders, it is said that the youth have much more energy to promote awareness.
As youth, we are supposed to identify the gap within the different aspects where there is that stance on how we can
Being called the youth, meaning that we have the most needed energy in the community to do all the work that is needed. Thus, we can take up most of the activities, such as cleaning the cities, the towns, the municipalities, so that we can conserve the environment where the people are living.
The earth we are living in today is existing because some other youth protected it sometime. And therefore, as youth, it is also our role at this particular time to bridge the missing gap between the current generation and the coming generation.
Interconnectedness is a crucial aspect in understanding that we as humans depend on the environment, not the environment depending on us.
Talking about the interconnectedness, that is, we are having an ecological crisis. Ecological crisis means if the world is suffering, then we are also going to suffer. In fact, we are also suffering if the world is suffering. And then that means if the environment is at its peace, then we, the young people, the elders, will also have a peace. And therefore, that is why it is our role to protect the environment so that we are also able to enjoy it in its fullness, because it was given to us in a whole, but right now it is divided.
Together with my fellow youth here, we call upon the fellow youth to come and join us in this campaign of conserving the environment. Together we can change the environment.
Let us be united for climate action. As Laudato youth, we are always united for climate action, and therefore want to call upon every individual out there to come and join us so that we can
make a difference for a better tomorrow.
Thank you.